All right, let's talk about how you can join two cells into one cell within Excel. So here we kind of have three groups of data here. And I'm going to show you three methods that you can use to join two cells into one. Now the first method is super simple, super easy. Basically you select the adjacent cell, type equals, select the first cell, then type the and sign on your keyboard and select the next cell. Now when we hit enter, we'll see that combined those two together into one cell northeast. And we can click the bottom right corner of this cell and drag that formula down to do the same thing there. So that's a simple way, but there's also two functions that you can use in Excel. For example, we want Jack Smith to be one cell, but we want a space in between Jack and Smith, whereas in here we notice that did not happen. So what we can do is in this adjacent cell to Jake Smith, we can type equals and use the concatenate function. We will select our first text, which will be Jack, comma, and if we were to select our second as Smith, that's going to put it together like it did here. So instead what we can do is do quote, space, quote, comma, and then select Smith. Now when we hit enter, we'll notice that will combine it into one cell, Jake Smith, and if we click and drag that formula down, the same thing will happen for Sarah Anderson. Now, in this final example, we're going to use one last function. So we have Salt Lake City, and then in the next cell we have Utah. We want to join those together, saying Salt Lake City, comma, space, Utah. So a function we could use is the one we just used, the concatenate, or my favorite is the TEXTJOIN function. Now it's going to ask us for a delimiter, and we can set that by quote, we want the comma, space, quote. So basically anything that we put within these quotes is how it will separate each cell that we select. Comma, if we want it to ignore any empty cells, comma, our first text will be Salt Lake City, comma, our second text will be Utah. So now when we hit enter, we'll notice that it will say Salt Lake City, comma, space, Utah. And if we select that and drag down, we'll get Boise, comma, space, Idaho. And there you have it. Those are three ways that you can join two cells into one cell within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.